Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So basically we will begin with customization of this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to it. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's find the eye comfort shield, and as you can see, we can actually turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher next to it. And I hope that you can see it's slightly changed. So the screen is a little bit yellowish. It's not with this bluish color, and it is of course because we turned on the eye comfort shield. And it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, for example. So you can leave it like this, but if not, just tap on the eye comfort shield, and here we've got two different modes. So we've got the adaptive one, your device will automatically adjust the screen colors based on the date, on the time of the day, or you can custom it, so you can set it manually, and after tapping on it you will be able to find the color temperature switcher. So by going to the left we can make it much cooler and it is almost invisible, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. I'm not really sure how it will look like on the screen, I mean on the camera, but trust me, it's almost orange. So it's of course up to you how you want to set it. I will leave it maybe like this. We can also set the schedule, and after tapping on it we can keep it on always on, which means that you will have to manually turn it on or off. We can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are, or we can custom it. So after tapping on it we can pick the start time and end time. Up to you. Just tap on done, and as you can see, the device immediately changed the colors, so it turned off the eye comfort shield, of course because we are not between the start and end time. But let me leave always on, and basically this is the whole customization of this mode. And in order to have much faster access to this feature, just unroll the top bar, and here we have to just go to the right section, and as you can see here we've got the eye comfort shield, which is right now turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and this is how it works. If you cannot find the eye comfort shield icon for some strange reason, just tap on this plus icon in order to find much more options, much more icons. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.